kati oyagala mbere mu struggle to achieve what? Okay, kati tulwanirira ki? Is never the only thing that can make me fight President 7 in the bush are two things. Get a pen and the paper we want it. Government will not really gala amabala, ne gala amaroji. The day President 7 will close all the lodges and the bars, I'll fight. I'll go to the bush. Now if Junior, I can have my money. Enter any bar at any time over Munana Guachiro. I drink my beer. I enter Roger, I play sex. I have no problem with Museveni. Or he wants to bring his uncle, or he wants to bring his son. I don't care. I don't care who comes. Me, I don't care who is the president. Whether is who, as long as my freedoms are respected. I play sex in peace. I come, I go. Why do I now shout with this government? Nangenzi now, hey, ebyo nabikolanga nkyali muto. Museveni vaako. Nebwa vaako era sinza ddako. Kati. Even if Museveni leaves the power now, my father is not the next president. Neither I am. I think tukwatagana. We on the same reverence. Kati why do you die? Orono mufere principle. Ono Bob Wine omufere. Bili abidi mumokaga, mwatuzayo mukalulu. Bob Wine, let me tell you, my brother, kuulio ondaba. Bob Wine, you are watching me. Kuuli muno mufake account. Nedi mutwe. Let me tell you a secret. Bob Wine, you will never be president of this country. Like it, shout, move naked, you cannot be a president.